This video will address updates to Uber and Lyft's insurance policies and also address what happens if you're involved in a car accident with an Uber or a Lyft. So you may have seen in the news some of the published losses for Uber and Lyft. And what makes these companies unique is that they actually lose money on every single ride that they perform. They subsidize the driver's salaries, basically, in order for people and customers to use Uber and Lyft's services. So it's a bizarre business model. And I've written about this extensively if you've read some of my other blogs. Basically, the business model for Uber and Lyft is eventually autonomous drivers will take over, and therefore the costs to pay the drivers will be eliminated, and therefore they will be the only product out there or service out there available, and they'll take over the market at that point. But up until the time that autonomous driving vehicles are available, they're losing money, and they're losing big money. So Uber has now changed its insurance policy. It has cut down its insurance policy, I believe, specifically to sort of hedge the amount of money that they are losing. In previous articles and previous videos, I have mentioned that Uber is the preferred service over Lyft solely based on the fact that Uber used to carry $1 million worth of coverage. That's no longer the case. They have now limited their insurance down to $250,000, which is the same as Lyft's uninsured motorist policy. So they have greatly diminished the amount of insurance that's available for either their drivers or their customers who are using their products, and that's a big issue. You also should know, if you are involved in an Uber or a Lyft accident and you are a passenger, you do not have PIP benefits available. So PIP benefits here in Florida are called no fault, and so basically they cover, for lack of I'm not going to get into a long dissertation, but they pay for generally $10,000 worth of your medical bills. So it doesn't go very far. If you go to the hospital, that $10,000 is going to be gone. So Uber and Lyft doesn't give that to you. So what you have to do if you are in the back of an Uber or Lyft and you have your own motor vehicle insurance, or you live with somebody, a resident relative who does have motor vehicle insurance, you have to get your PIP through them. If you do not have a car, or you don't live with a resident relative with a car, you don't have PIP benefits in an Uber or Lyft. That could be a major problem. Also, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver, they do not pay PIP for you either. You will have to get your PIP benefits through whatever insurance company that you have just to operate your vehicle. So you will be covered. You will have PIP benefits available, but just understand it's going through your own insurance company, not Uber or Lyft. So if you have been involved in an Uber or Lyft accident, if you're a passenger and you were struck by another vehicle, or your Uber or your Lyft driver did something careless and caused the accident, and you wish to make a claim and you're injured, or you have questions about how the insurance works, I encourage you to contact us here at St. Petersburg Personal Injury Attorneys McQuaid and Douglas. We handle these types of cases day in and day out, and we're happy to address any questions that you may have.